merge data from different tables using query folding, it's important that both tables are from the same data source. And to merge these queries, you'll go up here to the Merge Queries button. You can select to either make a new table or query here, or just edit your current ones. Pick the columns you would like to merge, and the kind, all listed here. Press OK, and it will make a new column in your table with table values. And you click and you can see the matched tables here. And again, the merge queries will show up in the applied steps. To filter your data, you'll need to open the Power Query editor. And on all of your columns will be this drop-down arrow. Click on it, and you'll see all filtering options here. In this case, we'll just filter to get rid of Anna Miller. And you'll see the filtered rows step show up in your applied steps over here. To rename columns in the Power Query editor for query folding, you pick whichever column you would like to rename, right-click on it, see rename down here. In this case, we will change it to full names, and you will see the renamed step show up in the applied steps on the right. To remove a column in the Power Query editor, you will pick which column you'd like to remove, right-click, and see remove here. This gets rid of the column in your table and will show the step on the right over here in applied steps. And now that we have all of our steps that can use query folding, it's important to order them first so that the data source can process these steps in the background while Power BI processes the steps that it has to do. An example of using the DAX editor instead of the Power Query editor here to increase efficiency is by splitting a full name value by first and last name in the DAX editor instead. This will increase a lot of efficiency and help with time if you have many rows of data to deal with. We can start by making the first name column here by adding a new column and using this formula. This will grab the left side of the space, which in this case has the first name value. And then when we put it in the table, it gives us just the first name value. We can then do this again to grab the right side of the space in order to get our last name value. This is the formula for just grabbing from the right side and going all the way to the end, which in this case has our last name value. Add that into our table. And here you have 3 separate columns for full name, first name, and last name, just using the DAX editor.